Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, Boy and Dulabic here. So, are you looking for LED RGB lights? How about two of them for $30? Stay tuned. This is the must-win LED RGB floodlight. It is a 25-watt light rated IP66, which makes it waterproof. It comes in a package of two, so you are getting two lights and two remote controls. However, you can use both of those lights with one remote control as well. It's totally up to you, whatever works. One cool thing about these lights is the fact that you can mount them onto a wall because they are intended to be mounted outside onto your house. But because of that mount, it also allows you to mount it onto any kind of a stand, whether that's a mic stand or a light stand, whatever it is, it will work. In my case, I have this one here mounted onto a small tabletop stand, which allows me to put it on my table so I can position it and light whatever I need to light. So these RGB lights have 20 lights in them. That includes white. It's definitely enough to have a variety of lights available so that you can create all kinds of interesting backgrounds or whatever you'll be using it for. I do suggest that you use a softbox for these lights because without it the shadows will just be too harsh and it's not going to look good. In my case, I used a softbox from a previous light. The link to it will be in the description. It's just a small softbox that will fit onto these lights. It's not a perfect fit, but it will work for sure. All in all, I find these lights incredibly useful. I use them in basically every video, whether it's for my intros and outros or for the product shots. I definitely use them in every single video, and for about $30 US, you can't go wrong with them. So let's take a look at various examples. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, these lights are pretty sweet and you know, they work. I mean, I have two of them right now. One is right down here, one is right over here on my desk. And as you can see, they're creating different lights and it just works, right? So if you are looking for RGB lights for product photography or just, you know, for your shoot, whatever it is, this will do the job for sure. Now, they are not portable in the sense, you know, you can't use batteries with them, right? So they do need to be plugged in. So that's something to keep in mind. Obviously, you can still use them on set, but you will have to plug them in somewhere. So that might be a limitation. In my case, they're here, they're always plugged in, so it's not really a big deal, anything like that. So yeah, all in all, I think this is a great solution. If you are looking for RGB lights that you want to control, and if you want to be able to, you know, mount them, put them in different places, or put them on a stand, whatever the case is, and if you just don't have the money to spend $200, $300 plus $400, right, on these things, and you know, if worse comes to worse, if you need light to light yourself, I mean, it does have the white light as well, so you could use that for yourself as well. I'm not 100% sure how accurate that is, but you know, again, if money is a problem, it will work for that as well. Definitely get the softbox though. That is something I definitely urge everyone who is considering getting these lights, get the softbox, because without it, it is just too harsh. The shadows are, unless it's somewhere in the distance, then that's fine. But if it isn't, definitely get the softbox. You will need it. It doesn't cost that much. I mean, I think links will be in the description. I don't remember anymore, but I think I paid like $5, maybe $10 for one of them. So, you know, it's not going to be that much. So yeah, that's it, guys. Links to everything will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, tell your friends, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.